the greatest thing ever. Come, my little ones. Come on, look at them, man. Come on. Do you want to tell us your names?
Ada Davis. Ada Davis.
Aren't they beautiful? Oh yes, they are beautiful. What are you going to do for us today?
Dance.
Okay, so they are dancers. And do you have a song that you would like to dance to?
Yes.
You tell the DJ over there what you want already?
What's the song?
All right, are you ready for them, DJ?
Oh, okay.
Okay, could you tell me the name of your song? Okay, they say that they want dirt, and if they say they want dirt, give them dirt, and a dirt, them say, and a just dirt. You have dirt. Are you ready? Okay, so get into your position and get ready to dance. Put your hands together for them one more time.
Hey, you gotta, where's my phone?
But how you do it?
Where's the phone?
Everybody know this. Who make us small man what this?
Oh, I have it. Oh, you recorded. You're recording, right?
If you want girl, just wanna show you them bro. Give them know all the thing go. Oh, brand new dance is simple. Dirt, show them the thing now. Dirt. Everybody get your bones, watch ya. Dirt. Everybody get your bones, watch ya. Dirt. Everybody get your bones, hey. Dirt. Everybody get your bones, watch ya. Mama dirt. Uncle dirt. Granny dirt. One big family of dirt, hey. Over New Land, I do the dirt. Rockford, do the dirt. Jungle, do the
I see some, I don't know nothing about no dirt bounce, you know. Because when I grew up, anytime they bounce, me drop on the ground in the dirt, and that is my bounce. Understand me? But me see some bounce